In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your industry in your account settings. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to save your choice so it actually sticks. Updating your industry helps the platform tailor features, recommendations, and reports to your field, so it's worth getting right. First, head to Settings. You'll usually find this in the top right corner under a gear icon or in the left-hand menu, depending on your layout. Think of Settings as the control center for everything related to your profile and account preferences. If your workspace has multiple sections, make sure you're in the Account area, not just Project Settings, so the change applies broadly. Inside Settings, click Basic Information. This is the section that holds your core details, things like your organization name, address, and contact info. It's the logical home for anything foundational about who you are or how your organization is categorized. If you're in a different tab, like Security or Notifications, just switch over to Basic Information to keep things simple. Now, scroll to the field labeled Industry. It may be midway down the page or toward the bottom, depending on how much information is shown. You're looking for a field that typically appears as a drop-down menu, sometimes with a search box at the top. If the page is long, don't worry, just keep scrolling until you see Industry. It should be clearly labeled. Next, select your industry. Choose the option that best represents your business or role. If you don't see an exact match, pick the closest category that aligns with your primary activities. When in doubt, consider which choice would help the platform deliver the most relevant templates, benchmarks, or analytics for your work. If your organization has a standard category it uses across tools, aim to stay consistent with that to keep reporting aligned. Finally, click Save Changes. This is the step that makes your selection official. Without saving, your choice won't be recorded, and you'll have to repeat the process. After saving, look for a quick confirmation message or a small banner indicating your changes were successful. If you don't see one, give the page a moment. Some systems take a second to update. And that's it. You clicked Settings, opened Basic Information, scrolled to Industry, made your selection, and saved. If the industry field isn't visible or you can't edit it, you may need higher-level permissions, so reach out to your administrator. Otherwise, you're all set, and your account should now reflect the industry that fits you best.